To retrain on a couple of things.
Sure.
Okay. No, I want you in the video. You're training.
Okay.
Yeah. So you started using that gun in what?
I started using the gun about 2 weeks ago. I did some test sprays on my own personal vehicle. One of the things I really liked about it was the texture.
It looks like a bed liner.
It looks like Rhino
like a
liner.
Rhino.
Yeah.
You know, like a sprayed on textured bed liner.
Is that a plug for Rhino liner?
Maybe it's a little one. There it is. Full disclosure. Rhino lines in your body, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it looks really nice. I liked that it didn't put too much misting in the air like you would see.
Almost no overspray.
No overspray was really nice.
How are you going to use it? Are you going to just use it in the areas that are highly abrasive, or are you going to get into the HD applications?
Yeah, so we're thinking about putting it on more coverage than we had in the past. So in the past, when we were doing HD applications, we were using a paintbrush and a bucket, and we're putting on the bottom of the frame, in the wheel wells, the bottom of the skid plates, which we're still going to be doing with the new system. But we're going to add on a few extra areas. We'll also be spraying on not just the bottom of the frame, but the insides of the frame. We'll be doing the cross members on the frame, the whole rear axle, and the front suspension as well.
Awesome. So Steve, introduce yourself.
Steven, the owner of Rhino Lines at Cape Cod in Bourne, Massachusetts.
Phone number?
508-759-9008.
He's one of the dealers who actually took the service and the product on as a additional revenue source, and then I think within a couple of years it rivaled your primary revenue source.
Now has succeeded.
That's great. And he has a fabulous building. I'll put a link in the description. He's focused a lot, not just on the quality. Obviously, they've been out multiple times to retrain, and today, introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Kevin. I'm Steve's assistant at the Bourne location down Cape.
Yep, and so they're coming out to retrain on a new piece of equipment, but he's actually focused on the customer experience.
Yes.
I mean, your shop rivals this shop.
Thank you.
And well, I think that's very important because, you know, the whole what's happened for me is the customer's experience has almost become like a product too, you know? And I think it's very important that you come in and there's perceptionable trust. Like they look at your business and they say, I had a guy come in last week and say, I went to one of your competitors, I came in here and I'm looking at your waiting room and I'm in the right place. You guys are professionals.
Right.
It says a lot. Yeah.
Yes, that is the image we're trying to portray when you walk in there. It's a nice office here, it's air conditioned, we have a fireplace, comfy waiting area. And it doesn't take that long to do a service, you know? You're only waiting for about an hour and 15 minutes for a New Hampshire oil undercoating, maybe about an hour and 45 minutes for an HD job on there, and it's looking beautiful.
How's the hybrid working out for you?
Oh, we love the hybrid. Okay, so the hybrid is great because the hybrid has some special additives in it that allow you to spray this product onto a vehicle that may already have some light surface rust. Say a truck that's maybe 2 or 3 years old, maybe you missed your opportunity to get the full boss wax, full wax application, and now we can do a hybrid for you and make it so that when it's sprayed on a light surface rust, it's not going to delaminate and peel. It's actually going to neutralize it and protect the vehicle. So
right, so you're not encapsulating. Joey, you're not encapsulating. You know, which is important, and I've
trapping in a problem.
Exactly,
yes,
yeah.
Yes.
And did you see? I'm sure you've seen it alone. Did you see this little test here? So we're getting this cabinet ready to do some testing. We're actually going to do some testing here. Steve happened to come in today. I wasn't aware of it, but did you see this, Steve? See the creep?
Oh, the creeping.
In 60 days.
And which product is this?
This is hybrid.
This is the hybrid. Wow.
So 30 days, 60 days, never fully cures.
Wow.
Okay, that's why right now the only question is what's the tolerance on surface rust, right? So
correct.
How much, and that's why we're all working together to try to come out with what that is. We're putting it on vehicles that we think definitely wouldn't be candidates, but we want to find that sweet spot, you know? Did you see this on the rust converter, on our rust converter?
Oh yeah, it turns it white. Is that the thing?
Well, not just that it turns it white. So this is a conventional rust converter that we originally used to use, okay? And I'm not picking on this. It does its job the way it's intended. But there's sealers in there, so it seals the surface. If you notice, there's no creep there. So if you put this type of a rust converter on that has polymers in it, it's going to seal the surface because that's what they're advertising that they do that, okay? And there's a reason for it. But in our application, you want it to do the exact opposite. You want it to just chemically change, which is done here. It's turned into a zinc phosphate, but it hasn't sealed the surface, so it allows, this is the creep of the oil, it allows the oil to do its job, which is to go down, penetrate, displace moisture, remove oxygen. So it's really important that, you know, you use a product like this, and I think there are maybe some others on the market, but this was formulated for us because we didn't like this, and or because that didn't work. And this is designed to work in conjunction with our oil. So you do restorations.
We do. Yes, we do.
Yes.
Yeah. It's we spend about 6 to 8 hours on them. We start off with a needle descaler gun. It's going to physically remove the heavy rust and scale, blow it down, compressed air, wire wheel it maybe in some of the hard to reach areas that the needle descaler gun couldn't get into. And then we use the New Hampshire branded rust converter.
Awesome. I didn't want to ask you, well, but that's great.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I'm not trying to sell you another product, but it's just, it's designed and engineered to work with oil.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, I mean, the proof is right here, how it creeps out. And that's just one drop.
Right.
I mean, we're spraying so much oil on the inside of these cars, it's never going to rust, you know? Yeah.
Yep.
No, great product. Love it. So we do restorations there. We do the oilings. We're bringing on the HD product, the new heavy duty. We do the Boss Waxes and the Boss Wax hybrids. Pretty much the full lineup.
Which, by the way, the Boss Wax, the original formula, has been upgraded. Have you used it?
I don't, Joey.
Want to see it? Come over here. I'll show you a chip.
I don't think we used it yet because our
So-
wasn't the latest.
Let me show you something. So you can take this back with you. Morning, Derek. That's the new Boss Wax, and that's also a military spec product now.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
That's great.
Doesn't have the creeping as the hybrid, but it's actually what we did was we took 3 years of GMC wax, 22, 23, 24, and we made it compatible. Okay, that doesn't mean that they won't turn around and, you know, change their formula on us, but right now it's completely 100% compatible with GMC wax.
Oh, that's great. That's fantastic.
Yep.
That's a big leap. That's a big leap forward.
But the hybrid is a better product for GMC. I'll be honest with you. Any GMCs that come into our shop, we won't use this. Not that it won't work well, but that the hybrid was specific for that. We did the same thing with the hybrid in terms of no adverse reaction, but because they have such a problem with pre-existing rust, you mitigate that rust with the hybrid.
Correct, yes. So basically moving forward, we'll make sure they're using the hybrid chemical on
GMC
wax
Chevy, yeah.
frames.
And then that might be something to consider. That's also a military spec product.
Okay.
They're both military spec products,
that's
which
fantastic.
says quite a bit, really. If you look at it, I mean, it's a pretty rigid, pretty high standard to meet
We have a
that
military base
criteria.
right across the street from us. We have to let them know.
Well, listen, get
Or the
on,
Air Force
register
Base.
with Sam and register with, we register with the government. We do government contracts all the time. You can register with them and you can even bid on them. I'll show you how.
Ah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
That'd be very interesting.
Yeah,
because we're right next door, so that'd be a perfect fit.
All right, so I don't want to keep you on the video all day, but thanks for stopping in for
It's our pleasure.
retraining, and we'll put a link to Steve. He also does Rhino linings, and he's definitely a premier dealer, 100%. He's in this 100%. So thanks guys.
Thank you.
No, it's not uncommon to see dealers coming back, whether it's to train a new tech or learn a new product. In this case, it's a old product with a new piece of equipment. This is our HD Wear Well Guard, most viscous product. And we've got several pieces of equipment made custom for this product by Lemmer exclusively. Steve has commuted from the Cape several times now. This is a new project that we are working on. It is testing. It is going to emphasize and highlight the performance characteristics of our products. All of our testing is done in a B117 testing cabinet. Why? These salt spray tests are important because they provide insight into corrosive resistance of metals. Having an in-house lab is important, but you know what? It is a benchmark, and the technology is available to us, so we use it. However, what gives us the biggest advantage in this industry is we're not just developing and manufacturing a product and trying to sell it to a consumer. We're consuming the product, okay? And the most important lab test is the one on your vehicle.
Done it before?
I've had several cars, not at this location.
Okay.
15 years ago, he did one for me in Deering.
Oh, wow, yeah, that was a ways back.
Take a look at this vehicle. This vehicle has lived its life in New England for over a decade. Been coming to us since day one. NHOU delivers results. We've been saving cars for nearly 2 decades, and this is why customers return. Many have been coming to us since day one. What do you think of this, huh?
Oh my God, it's all covered.
2013. I don't think he's come in every single year. I think he's come in like every other year.
Yeah, I don't think
Okay.
it's every year.
But look at it. I mean, it's black. Right there. I mean, you know.
Still black.
And the Chevy, you know, factory wax has all stayed intact. So why does the guy come back to us every year? Because it works, that's why. Here's the end result of being diligent with your oil-based rust proofing program. So that's incredible.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you.
If you want to see this, you know, like, this is where the wax, if you take a look at it right now, you can see where the wax has removed.
Yeah, well,
You can
that's because
see-
those are lift points.
Yes, but
yeah.
you can see that it's bare metal, but it's bare clean metal.
Clean, yeah, yeah. And you haven't even come in here every year, right? You only,
No, about every other year for sure. But in the beginning, you did it with your first product,
yep.
which was the fluid film.
Ah.
And then after that, you had another product, and then you developed this product.
Right.
So you've gone through like,
3 products.
I know, and it's still doing well.
Yeah.